Hey, congratulations! You have reached the end of this course. We have covered a lot of information in this course. We started out with learning how an SAP system is structured, remember that three-tier architecture, through to all the different components that make up the various SAP products companies use today. We then went further with some hands-on demonstrations to take you through all the common ways to use and navigate an SAP system. And we even touched on some of the advanced time-saving techniques like setting up pre-populated fields. We really did cover an awful lot. But do not feel as though you need to remember everything you've covered. Please feel free to come back to this course and use it as a reference guide to help you get working efficiently with your own SAP system. Now, just before I sign off, I want to tell you about a special coupon code that I have set up for you if you want to continue your SAP education with me on this Udemy website. I have created a coupon code called Next Step, and this is a special coupon code specifically for my SAP ABAP Programming for Beginners course. And the easiest way to find my course on Udemy is by using the Udemy search box. Just enter SAP, hit search and select the course that you see here. Now from time to time I advertise special coupon codes just below the course header, but I don't want you to use that one. Use the one that I set up for you, and that is Next Step. This will let you get access to the complete course for $105. Udemy is a great website where you can learn lots of cool and interesting things, and there are lots and lots of courses, not just on SAP, on a whole host of topics, and I really encourage you to take a look around, and if you see some other courses you like, sign up to them too. Now, just before I go, I'd like to ask you to leave a review for this course. It really does help other people decide if they should take the course or not. So once again, a big thank you, and I wish you every success with the knowledge that you have learned here at Udemy.